Think you're taking good care of your hair? Think again. Here are the top 3 hair care mistakes you might be making, and how to fix them. Top 3 hair care mistakes you might be making. Mistake 1. Overwashing your hair. Washing your hair too often. Daily washing strips natural oils and dries out your scalp. For most hair types, 2 to 3 times per week is ideal. Tip: use sulfate-free shampoos and condition the ends, not the roots. Mistake 2. Using too much heat. Excessive heat styling. Flat irons, blow dryers, and curling tools can damage the hair cuticle, leading to breakage and split ends. Tip: always use a heat protectant spray and try air drying when possible. Mistake 3. Brushing the wrong way. Brushing your hair the wrong way. Dragging a brush from roots to ends when your hair is tangled can cause serious breakage. Tip: start brushing at the ends to gently detangle, then work your way up. Use a wide tooth comb for fragile or curly hair. Fix these 3 mistakes, and you'll see a huge difference in your hair's health. Which mistake have you been making? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips.